Question number 6 is asking us to represent the data with a logarithmic regression. So logarithmic regression is almost identical to linear regression and exponential regression. It's just that we're representing the data with a logarithmic curve, not a line and not an exponential curve. So we need to enter in our data. And I don't see anything where we need to convert any of the numbers like years after 2010 or years after 2000 or something like that. So I'm just going to enter in the data as I see it. So go to Stat, Edit, and enter in the data. And then you want to go to Stat, Calc, and you want to go to ln reg. So that is the natural log, and we are calculating the logarithmic regression. So press enter. If you have a different version of the calculator, then a different screen may show up here and you'll have to go down to calculate. I'm going to press enter, and then this is my information. So I want to copy that down. So y is equal to 4.972 plus 3.153 times the ln of x. And my r value is 0.998. So that is very good. Okay, so now I want to graph it. So I'm going to go back to the calculator and type this in the y equals and make sure that the plot 1 is on, and then go to zoom stat, and here is our graph. So it really hits all the dots and it's a logarithmic curve. So I want to sketch my graph. And your sketch doesn't need to be perfect. And that's our answer.